Hey guys, Nim here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the best free app that I've found personally for playing FLAC audio on iOS. It's VLC, which is open source. And one of the favorite features of mine personally is that it allows you to transfer files directly from your PC, laptop or whatever to your phone via Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you a screenshot of where you can enable the setting on your phone, and then a little video of the process actually happening above me. The first thing to notice is just how smooth this process actually is. It's very seamless, quick, and you'll also be able to organize your files into playlists through the same web interface that's available. When you're done, just close off the setting that you previously enabled in iOS, and that's it. You'll be able to play FLAC media on your iOS device wherever you are. The link to the application I've put in the description, and if you've enjoyed, like and subscribe.